Okay, starting the recording again. Now, Steam VR within the headset, not on the computer. Now, as you can see, the TV behind me, that was showing it. Now, give this a second. Hopefully this video don't end up too long. Yeah, no, this is booting quick, see? Okay, now, turn back this way. All right, now this one. Like I said before, it's usually not going to be in here. Not with the dev build, or not with neither one of them. All right, so on the menu, click left menu button on your controller. Yeah, I hate that part. All right, so click on that. You pull up this one. You might have to click out into the room to get the thing, to come up on your controller. You probably know that part already. Okay. Keep on working with it. You'll do that. That's on the controller. Now go into the game. Yeah, I know I got a lot of stuff. All right here. Click on that. Now you start it from within here. It has to be in here for it to work right. If you start it on the computer and then try to put your headset on, it's not going to work. Start the game here. Launching. See how quick that closed out? Now this part's a little bit, give it a second, because you are going through another game to get to it. You're not going straight to the game on the computer. Come on, load up. There you go. No. The window should be behind me. At this point, you just wait. See, you wait. It'll go back and forth like that. Now see, that's behind me. See, this is in the VR part where you look around. So you got to do it from the headset. Now resume. Now you got controllers. It's tracking. That other screen you had on one of the videos where it was all screwed up, that was the tracking because you didn't go through the headset. Okay, now click on this. Now see this? Now in here, settings, your graphics, go to the graphics, set that all on medium. It shows medium, see? You can't do it on high. I just clicked on high to try to show you the difference. See, it's jerky. I gotta go back. Medium. Okay, now we're on medium. Now that's what you do as far as that. The display part right here, that's not that big of a deal. All this can be stayed just where it is. Your preference can stay whatever they were automatically. Yeah, I got most of my stuff all turned on. Head bob, I don't even know what that is. Of course, the account. Not doing anything with that. Audio, music down. Yeah, I don't need that music loud. Just enough to work it. All right, anyway, so that's that. Remember graphics, medium. Let's save. Okay, then you click on, see, I'm going to just continue the last one that I was on. This is how you do it. Now it's going to load. I'm trying to make this short. I think I've made it too long already. I got to think you understand what I mean as far as the first part is the important part. Come on. It's building pretty quick. But the first part, again, of this, do it through the headset. Otherwise, you won't have tracking or nothing on your controllers. If it does load into the game, see, that jittered a little bit right now, but once I get into the game, it gets past a certain part. Now I should be on the ship soon. See, everything's turning. Here we go. And I told it to save that part about the VR, because the other one you told me was for Annex systems or something like that, another computer system. So I always pick that direct 12. Here we are. Now stand up, of course. Hey. Oops. The controllers are a little bit tricky the way when you walk with them. You get used to that. But see, it's not jerking around. He's doing work on the ceiling. Oh, he changed. No, the doors hadn't been changed. See, it's good. Okay, I showed you that part. Of course, you can't click on the seat to sit down. All right, stop video.